2018 Ford F-150 diesel specifications revealed. Cue the rainbow Ron Paul. It's happening. GIF because, well, it's happening. The Ford F-150 is getting a diesel engine, and Ford has finally released the specs on it. So let's get to them. The turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 makes 250 horsepower at 3,250 revolutions per minute and 440 pound-feet of torque at 1,750 revolutions per minute. Ford hasn't released official fuel economy numbers yet, but it's aiming for 30 miles per gallon on the highway, which will be 4 miles per gallon better than the next most efficient F-150, the one with a turbocharged 2.7-liter V6. The engine meets emissions requirements for all 50 states, and it uses a urea injection system. It will also be mated to Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission with a beefier torque converter. According to Ford, the diesel F-150 will have a payload capacity of 2,020 pounds and a tow rating of 11,400 pounds. The V6 under the hood is interesting for more than just the raw numbers, though. For one thing, it's based on the same 3.0-liter diesel found in Jaguar Land Rover products. That engine has similar output at 254 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque. The Power-Stroke diesel team that worked on the 6.7-liter diesel found in Super Duty F-Series trucks made several modifications to it, though. It has a new variable geometry turbocharger, fuel injection system, connecting rod and main bearings, oil pan, and a forged crankshaft. Another unique feature is the mechanical cooling fan. According to a Ford representative, this was done because they couldn't get the electric fan to move enough air with the truck's standard 12-volt electrical system when under extreme loads, such as when towing a heavy load up a grade. When asked, a representative said that an electric fan might be acceptable if the truck had a higher voltage electrical system, such as the 48-volt systems appearing in more new vehicles. The truck also doesn't have an exhaust brake. The reason given was that the engine braking in tow haul mode makes it unnecessary. Ford will begin taking orders for the new engine in January with deliveries happening in the spring. The company expects that about 5% of customers will opt for the diesel engine. Fleet buyers will be able to get the diesel V6 on XL and XLT trims, while private owners will have to go for a Lariat, King Ranch, or Platinum trim. Ford representatives explained that it's keeping the engine to those higher trim levels since it is aimed at owners who tow and typically spend more on a truck than those who don't tow much. The engine will be available in extended and double cab bodies with either a 6.5 footbed on extended cab, or 5.5 or 6.5 footbeds on the double cab. As far as pricing goes, compared with the cheapest Lariat with the 2.7-liter turbocharged V6, the diesel will cost an additional $4,000. On the King Ranch, the engine is a $3,000 premium over the base 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8.